My name is Elisabeth. I'm from Berlin, Germany, and I had a severe cough for more than 6 weeks. It was an asthmatic, allergic reaction. I could not breathe deeply for more than 6 weeks, and my muscles got tight and stiff. It was very painful. My lungs were suffering a lot, and my energy was also quite low because of that. I attended 2 Daojiang blessings in Belgium. After the first Daojiang blessing, my cough reduced, so it was much better. And after the second Daojiang blessing, 1 week later, it completely disappeared. So I'm completely free of coughing, and I'm very grateful. I can breathe deeply, and I'm happy again. Thank you.